Hey guys, Meta, the company led by CEO Mark Zuckerberg, has launched its own version of Twitter called Threads. Since its recent public release, over 10 million users have already signed up for the service. Threads, developed by the Instagram team, is an app designed for sharing text and offers a separate space for real-time updates and public conversations. Getting started with Threads is simple. Users can log in using their existing Instagram accounts. The Instagram username and verification will carry over to Threads, with the option to customize the profile specifically for this new platform. Let's find out how to use it. To post something on Threads, users can tap the icon in the middle of the navbar at the bottom of the app, type their content, choose who can respond from the drop-down menu, and then tap Post. Posts on Threads can be up to 500 characters long and can include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. Users have the option to share their Threads post to their Instagram story or as a link on other platforms. When browsing the timeline on Threads, each post is accompanied by 4 icons. The heart icon allows users to like a post, while the speech bubble icon opens a message field for replying to the post. The remaining 2 icons are for sharing. The double arrows and a circle icon repost a post to the user's own timeline, similar to retweeting on Twitter. Users can choose to embed the post directly or quote it with their own commentary. The arrow or paper airplane icon allows users to share the post elsewhere, either as a direct link or as a story on their Instagram feed. Currently, the search function on Threads focuses on finding accounts rather than specific content. By tapping the magnifying glass icon on the navbar, users can begin typing to search for accounts. However, finding specific posts does not seem to be a feature at present. It is expected that trends and hashtags will be introduced in the future to enhance this aspect of the user experience. The look and functionality of Threads resemble the early days of Twitter, with the ability to like, reply, and repost others' posts, giving it a similar instant viral quality that many enjoyed about Twitter in its early days. The Threads feed includes posts from people the user follows, as well as recommended content from new creators they have not yet discovered. Threads aim to build on Instagram's success in connecting people through photos and videos by expanding into the realm of text, creating a positive and creative space for users to express their ideas. Users can connect with friends and creators who share their interests, including those they already follow on Instagram and beyond. For users under the age of 16, their profiles on Threads default to private. However, they have the option to follow the same accounts they do on Instagram and discover more people who share their interests. So here are the all about Threads app info. Subscribe for more updates, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.